Hi, this is an Enterprise Technology Ridecast. My name's Mark Farley. My special guest today is Greg Knieriemen. How you doing, Greg?
Fantastic, Mark. The Cavaliers won the World Championship of the NBA, so we're flying high today.
Hey, whoa, wait a minute. What's going on? What is going on here? Whoa, what just happened?
Well, let's face it, Mark, we're in the driver's seat now, so get comfortable in the passenger seat.
I didn't know that it would go this far. You know, you lose a championship tournament and you end up like not even be able to drive your own car.
Well, it's the magic of video, Mark.
I suppose. By the way, nice sombrero.
Your hat looks fantastic as well. I love the shirt. That's a vintage.
Yeah, so maybe I should invite you sometime to come in and write the words X at the beginning of this.
Well, maybe I should just come into the Bay Area wearing my shirt. We'll see how that goes over.
Yeah, we'll actually do a live ridecast sometime.
Of the beatdown.
Oh, boy. So Microsoft had this announcement today where they were talking about the Azure Information Protection Service.
Yeah, I saw that. And I thought it was kind of interesting from the perspective that if you live in a Microsoft universe, and if you're a small and medium-sized business, there's probably a lot of value in that. But the demo they showed with how the access control works, how the sharing features work, they were all very specific to Microsoft Office products, and I'm going to guess to Microsoft Office 365 products. By itself isn't a bad thing. Again, if you're a small and medium-sized business, you probably are a complete end-to-end Microsoft shop. The implication being is if you use other types of files or other types of objects, that now you've got a separate silo of protection you have to manage.
Yeah, and it's not data protection the way you or I typically think about data protection. It's security more than it is backup, recovery, versioning, that sort of thing.
That's right. And when we look at what the enterprise requires for these types of tools, it's about the authenticity of the document, the retention of the document, data destruction and shredding when that document happens to expire, and at the end of the day also encryption. A lot of those broader features that the enterprise looks for don't appear to be in here based on the demo that Microsoft provided.
Yeah, I got a chance to look at the demo. I thought it was kind of funny when the document was out in the open or free. There was some icon, a third of the screen was a picture of a bird, right? A picture of a bird, right? But then the document was revoked, and it's just like this little warning, this little error message is revoked. It's like, why don't you put up an icon of a prison guard or somebody shooting the bird or something, right? Or putting the bird in a cage.
Well, I think that bird was supposed to imply that the document is in flight, right? Graphically, it looked pretty basic.
So you have this map of the document and who's looking at it and when's the last time it looked at. It's like so many people and the last time it was open. I mean, who in the hell wants to do that? Are you going to open a document to see when the last time somebody looked at it was and how many people did? I mean, it's not part of my workflow now. Is it going to be part of anybody? Is it part of yours?
No, it seems like, it's one of those things, Mark, that it looks good when you see it in a demo, but when you actually use it in real life, you're like, oh my God, my 1 minute email just turned into a half hour of exploration.
Where did this technology come from? How did it get into Microsoft? Is it, homegrown? Did they buy it?
Well, it looks like it was part of the recent acquisition of Secure Islands, which is an Israeli security firm that Microsoft acquired, and it looks like they're finally pulling in their technology into this solution. I think this is exactly what they had envisioned when they made that acquisition.
What else is out there like it?
I think just about every file sync and share tool has some element of this document management. I like, of course, let me put my vendor hat on for a second. I work for Hitachi.
Are you wearing the Hitachi sombrero?
This is the Hitachi sombrero. I have a different hat for Hitachi. So we have the Hitachi Content Platform, which does a lot of these similar features, but at a much broader enterprise level scale, to where you can actually do document management, not just security on a file-by-file basis. And we're leveraging metadata that spans all types of objects and file types. And I don't see that here. I think there's metadata tools behind it, but they don't really explain that in this demo.
This is great. Thanks for coming on a ridecast, a virtual ridecast with me today, Greg. I guess congratulations to the Cavaliers and everyone in Cleveland.
I'll let you have your car back, Mark. Thank you so much. This is a fun little ride. A little tight, but I like it.
Thanks, Greg.